why we are wearing this right now. Yes, so the world is wearing this right now because China brought this upon the world. They never speak on time. They cover up everything, and this has escalated. The world is now like this. Oh my goodness. Let this be over. Let it be like a nightmare. Let it be like a dream. Wake up, guys. Hello, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Story of Motherhood. So how are you guys doing? Welcome to my returning subscribers. Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh, so guys, yeah, I decided to wear this because I'm a general officer in my, I'm an officer, general, 3-star general, yes. So, anyway, this video is not for laughing, yeah. This video is a very, very, very sensitive video. And this video, it's something like I am speaking for us with the Africans. Guys, I don't know if you notice what has been happening right now. I am from Edo State, Benin City, and I don't know what China is up to, you know. China, why? Why? Look at this. Why? This Koro thing was originated from China. Yes, it was. And you are thinking, China is thinking that the best place to bring the vaccination to test is Africa. Do you know I had to call my family back in Nigeria to ask, is anything like this going on? And some said yes, especially in the remote area where they have no electricity, where they have no food, where they do farm, where they are poor, where the poor place, where there is no internet, no social media platform to show them what is happening in the world. The remote area, they went there, and now they are testing using the vaccine. You are bringing a test to see if it's going to work against this Koro. It's going to work against this stuff that makes us to start wearing. China, why? I think the best thing you should do is to start to use that vaccination in your own country. This test to see if it's going to work against Koro, try to use it against this virus. Try to use it in your own country. Yes. Why are you coming to Africa in the remote area where there is no education? The poorest people, you go to them where they cannot even relate to social media, where there is no Wi-Fi, where there is no internet, where they cannot even come across Facebook, come across watching news, the CNN, the DW, where there is no light, no electricity. You went there and you start to test. China, why? China, why? Why are you treating our people so bad in Africa? Why are you treating our people so bad in Africa, also in your country, China? I see what is going on the social media platform, how you treat Africa. But you are so comfortable in my country, so-called country, Nigeria.
Mommy, don't talk it.
That is the area they went to. An area that they cannot speak for themselves. That is the place they went to in Nigeria. An area that they cannot reach the world. The civilized people, the poorest people. They are going there to give them vaccination. Come on. Let's be honest. You have a lot of cases in your country. Why not try it there? Why are you coming to Africa to do the testing? Why not test it on your own, on your country? I mean, why not test it in your own country? This is not nice. The world is suffering right now. We cannot go out without a mask. We cannot go out without an hand gloves. And we cannot go out without a hand sanitizer. We don't even know when all this is going to be over. And I don't even think it's going to be over this year. Even if everything is open, we'll still be wearing masks. If you're really sure of the vaccination, why not try it for your people? Why did you come to Africa? Our African leader, we cannot reach these people. Nigeria leader, we cannot reach these people. Our voice will not touch them. And this is the best way to reach to them, through our social media platform. I think you should investigate African leader. Investigate the favor they are trying to render, which I don't think is a favor. Investigate what they are bringing to our poor people. Investigate. What is your plan, China? Why? China, what is your plan? I have no answer. But I think if you want to try out your test, your vaccine, try it in your own country. We are afraid. We don't trust you, China. We don't trust you. Thank you guys for watching this beautiful video. I really do appreciate. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Share this video, and then give it a thumbs up if you like this video. I don't know, but let's see. Bye.